it's P that's empty and soft, you don't feel anything, but patient does. This is why you ask, does this feel uncomfortable? Number 2, subcostal. Switch hand, pinky side blade. And sometimes if you want to compare, you can come down and roll your fingers underneath. And then
How far under the ribs do you want to go?
you actually have a tight ribs. My fingers should really roll underneath it. And in Inaba's book, he has a picture of him going like this, really curling your fingers underneath the wrist, which I would think is uncomfortable for anybody. But so comparing the sides, it doesn't matter which side is worse than the other. It's still the same method. So number 2 and number 3, podcast stretch, podcast, and I'll do it a few times. Number 4, DQ, going straight into these muscle bellies, feeling the fibers, feeling how dry the muscle. This is number 4. Number 5, feeling for pulsing.
Oh, that was loud.
And then size of umbilicus. Number 6, drag and drop. Feeling if there's a drop line in the middle. Now tracing for the bow tie. Feeling for abdominal fullness, hardness, emptiness, coldness. At the end, midpoint between ASIS and umbilicus, go perpendicular deep, watch patient's face, and then drag at the bottom. Midpoint, going deep, and then drag. If this is positive, ask them to bend their knees completely and repeat the test again. And that will rule out the bishell.
Both knees? They meant?
Both knees, yeah. Because if the bishell is so tight, there is no way you can go in that deep. And then it will seem like it's almost always positive if the DQ is so strong. Good, that's all. And then you massage them at the end and then